Look at Beenie. Hi, Beenie. You're my little pinky today. Hi, everybody. It's Barb Del Chudas with Beenie. His birthday. His birthday's December 4th. It's coming up really soon. Wow. Pinky. I like to call Beenie Pinky because you can see pink on his head through his feathers. He has pink skin. So I call him Pinky. Look at you. Oh, Beenie. Look at him, isn't he sweet? I just love him, and he likes to sit on my arm right there all the time now. Right? Oh, look at your eyes are really sparkly there. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. Look at Beenie. Aren't you pretty? Look at how pretty you are, Beenie. Yeah. I got the light perfect right here for Beenie. Yeah. Oh, you're so cute. I just love to look at you. Yeah. Kiss me. Oh, yeah. I can sit all day with him and never get tired of him unless I have to go do something. Then I have to put him back in his cage. But I am never tired of my sweetie. I got 17 years ago, just about. Yeah. Oh, okay. Bye, everybody.